Hi ladies, and thanks for joining me in the Full for Life kitchen today. We have a Halloween inspired recipe that's not only great for kids, but if you're a kid at heart, it's wonderful for adults too. It's 4 simple ingredients. You need a banana, peanut butter or almond butter, chocolate chips, and unsweetened coconut flakes. And the finished product is this awesome ghost-shaped pop. It's not only healthy, but it sure is Halloween inspired. Live full for life and cheers to a healthy lifestyle.